Hi! In this video, we will demonstrate how to publish a template. After creating the session, click on Share. Upload an image as the cover of your template. Fill in the template title and description detail. Choose a few categories that match the content of your session. Add the hashtags to provide more details about your template. This would help to improve the visibility of your template as users search for keywords that match these hashtags. By default, the template is published publicly. If you are a Pro, Premium, or Enterprise user, you will have the option to publish the template privately. Enter the email of the users you want to share the template with here. You're all set. Click Publish and you'll see it on the recent uploaded page. An additional option is to select the session file you wish to publish as a template on the Rolljak homepage. Click on the ellipsis button and choose Publish Template to fill out the template details. You will be able to edit the template description and details on your creator dashboard. Join the growing community of creators on Rolljak and share your amazing templates with the world. Together, we can make a difference. Get rolling with Rolljak!